So today I'm going to talk about how to control your appetite, especially after you eat. I don't know if you're in the situation where you eat a meal and you're just not satisfied. You have to keep eating, maybe something sweet. Do you have that? Well, this video is for you. There's several reasons why that can be. One is you have low bile production. What is bile? Bile is a kind of a detergent that helps you break down fat and extract fat-soluble vitamins, omega-3 fatty acids, essential fatty acids from the food that you eat, and it pulls it into the cell. So it helps you absorb fat with the help of the pancreas. So if your liver is damaged because the bile is made by the liver, you may lose the capacity to make bile. So if there's low amounts of bile, you're not going to fully absorb the fat that you're eating, and there's no satiety, okay, because fat helps you feel satisfied. So that's one reason. Now, if you don't have a gallbladder, probably going to be low in bile, so you maybe need to take bile after you eat, okay? So you just take a little tablet. There's some more information I have down below on that, but you take one, and that will actually help you. Number two, low vitamin B1. If you have a B1 deficiency, you're going to wreck your satiety centers in the brain. So there's certain parts of your brain that need B1 because B1 acts as a coenzyme to help that work. And then that deficiency is going to create a lot of hunger, and you're just not going to feel satisfied. But on a rare occasion, you could have the opposite effect. Like you're not hungry at all if you have a B1 deficiency. But that's rare. Okay, number three is the most common cause of having an appetite that's just not satisfied after you eat. And that is called insulin resistance. So if you look at the cells right here, and then you have insulin, insulin is the key that opens the door to the cell to allow the fuel and nutrients to go into the cell. So if you have insulin resistance, you can't get the nutrients in the cell, you can't get the fuel in the cell, and the cell has certain receptors and signals that will send signals back and let the brain know that, okay, stop eating, right? So if there's no signals, you'll just want more and more food. You'll want probably more quick energy like sugar than anything. So this is something that is created by high levels of insulin over a period of time. And you guessed it, it's high carbs over a period of time and frequent eating. Over time, you start developing this condition, and you're going to start having this right here. The way to reverse that is to cut down the carbs, cut down the frequency of eating, start consuming nutrients that are more dense. You can have large salads, things like that, to get your potassium and magnesium, which will help reverse insulin resistance. So try this simple experiment. One day, try eating a lot of refined carbs, okay? Because there's no nutrients there that turn off that signal, that eating signal. And then the next day, consume high nutrient foods. Let's say you add salads and you have salmon. Your body is going to turn off those hunger signals a lot faster. So it's not just about eating calories to satisfy you. It's about eating the right food. It's about the bile. It's about the nutrients in the food. It's about keeping your insulin low. And for those of you that are new, I put a link down below of exactly what you should be eating to overcome this condition right here. Thanks for watching. So if you're enjoying this content, go ahead and share it with someone that could really benefit from it.